Okay, hello guys. So first time, let's hop on my strategy. So we're starting on GBPUSD on a monthly time frame. So let's begin. I want to make this video as short as possible. So quickly, yeah, we're going to have the monthly upper zone. As you can see, you have the monthly upper zone, the mid-range zone, and lower zone, upper zone, mid-range, and the lower zone. First things first, as you can notice, the market has been consolidating. You can see how many months within this particular range. So, but nonetheless, the market pushed from this point to the top all the way down, still rejected at this point. This is a very strong rejection point. So it clearly shows that we can see equal buys and equal sells here. So let's move all the way to the weekly time frame. So essentially what this is trying to say is just that the market has, if you let me zoom in, the market is showing you that this pin bar, as you can see, this bearish pin bar, bearish pin bar right here, it's forming. So it's trying to tell us how the market is trying to sell, hopefully all the way down, because this is a good support level. The market is trying to sell all the way down. So let me just make an adjustment to this. Yeah, market is obviously going to sell all the way down because of that pin bar. So let's move on to the weekly time frame. Let's weekly full and understand the market. Let's see. Yeah, on the weekly here we have this. Let me make it strong. We have this weekly mid-range zone here. As you can see, the market has pushed. As you can even see, this a push, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Market failed to break this level to give us a new lower high, to drop here, lower low, and then all the way to the top. Instead, what's happening is the market is just has given us a very strong pin bar here. So obviously the market is going to drop all the way down, giving us a new, let me adjust that quickly. From this point, pin bar, lower low, lower high, and then sell, or we can actually sell all the way to the top. So you can see the monthly is telling us that what we're in a bearish move trend. Weekly also bearish trend. Now let's switch to the daily as quickly as possible. On the daily, let's understand the daily flow. This is as clear as day. I mean, I actually color code my levels because it makes it very clear for me. Blue is for the monthly, yellow for weekly, green for daily, and red for the 4-hour time frame. I think I want to switch it to, let me switch it to color. Yeah, so this is as clear as day. It's very, very easy, makes things very, very easy. So you can see the market has been, as you can see again, this is a very strong bearish engulfing candle here. It's a bearish engulfing candle. So it's trying to tell us that the market is trying to sell. So, but what's going to happen, what I'm suspecting is it's going to push all the way down, lower low, lower high, and then you could, this is exactly what I suspect is going to happen. Sell all the way down here. So yeah, we're hoping that's what is going to happen. So let's switch to the 4-hour time frame. I mean, sorry if I'm not really responding much. I'm not used to talking like that. So let's see. On the 4-hour time frame. This is very, very sweet. I mean, if I was actually active from last week, I would have, let me say a few days ago, because when this 4-hour, I'd have actually sold from this point. Immediately I saw this pin bar. Obviously, this is a very strong level of resistance. I would have actually sold all the way down here and take some good profit. It should have been a very interesting entry. But nonetheless, this is exactly what I'm suspecting is going to happen. If not, it's going to be a no-go area. So the market saw from this point give us a lower low here, but if you even notice that this is a bullish pin bar forming here, a bullish pin bar. Let me even zoom all the way in for you to see. A bullish pin bar is trying to form, though we're still going to wait for the full candle formation. When we see a good candle formation, then we just have to wait. We still have to wait. I mean, I would have tried and do something like buying here. If I see a pin buy here, I'll just tap on buy, set my take profit level here, and this, set my stop loss like that, set my stop loss there, and just make entry all the way to the top. But that is very, very risky. Something that, because obviously on the monthly it's telling you sell, weekly it's telling you sell, daily sell, and now you want to make a buy here, which is obviously impossible. One of my mentors, Dapo Willis, I follow him very much. So he said, I watched one of his videos like that. He was like, how would you, I mean, everything is going in a downtrend and then you're trying to buy in a downtrend. Monthly is telling you sell, weekly is telling you sell, daily is telling you to sell, and then you're on the 4-hour chart and then you're trying to buy. That's crazy. So this is exactly what's going to happen. I'll just wait for this confirmation. If it forms a bullish pin bar here, obviously I'll just wait. You just have to still wait. So from here, lower low. So I'll just wait for this lower high, and this point is going to be my point of sell. So I'll just wait for the candle confirmation here, and I'm going to sell all the way to the downside. Let me adjust it. I'm going to put my sell all the way to the downside here. So yeah, that's it. That's it, man. That's it, guys. Just know how to set your levels. By the way, this my strategy is called push and exhaustion. Market always pushes and exhausts. I have another strategy that I use, and I'm really going to upload more. This is my first video ever, so first video I'm posting on YouTube actually. So yeah, that's it. So we're just going to wait. I'll put my sell here. I'm going to make some real money. Yep. Just wait for confirmation right here. Just doing this. I'm just going to, let me set it up. Yeah, that's it. I probably just put my take profit around this level, around somewhere around here or so, because I don't want to be too greedy or something. Depends. Immediately after this formation, then I'll definitely look for an area where I could set my take profit. But obviously the market might go here. Might be take profit 1, take profit 2. Take profit 1 might be around here, take profit 2 around this other level. So it depends. Anyways, guys, so that's it for GBPUSD. Actually, I trade gold most times, but there's an opportunity on GBPUSD, so definitely gonna take it. Anyways, peace out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next episode. Peace out.